By going vegan, each person can save up to 8 lakh 29,000 liters of water every year.
Basically, hunger can be eradicated to a large extent with a vegan diet.
This is perhaps one of the most important videos we have ever made. Along with compassion and ethics, which is definitely very important, this video covers a detailed study and analysis of how animal farms is literally destroying the world. Even if you have not seen our other videos completely, it's alright, but please see this video till the very end because this is an extremely important topic and we are going to do a thorough analysis on it. Let's dive straight into it.
The climate crisis. By some estimates, we have found out that animal agriculture is responsible for more greenhouse gas effects than all of the world's transportation systems combined. According to the UN, a global shift towards a vegan diet is necessary to combat these worst effects of climate crisis.
An enormous amount of water is taken to clean the filthy and dirty factory farms, to grow fodder crops for the animals and to provide them with drinking water. It takes a whopping 911 liters of water to produce just 1 liter of milk and 15,000 liters of water to produce 1 kg of beef, while tofu takes around 2,000 liters. It's comparatively very less. By going vegan, each person can save up to 8 lakh 29,000 liters of water every year.
According to a detailed research, the animals raised for food in the US produce many times more excreta than the entire population of the country. According to the US Environmental Protection Agency, animals on US factory farms produce around 500 million tons of manure each year.
With no animal sewage processing plants, the wastes are usually kept at waste lagoons or they are just sprinkled over on the fields. Runoff from factory farms and livestock grazing is one of the leading causes of pollution in our rivers and lakes.
Land use. Growing crops for the animals, the fodder crops, is vastly inefficient. It takes 75% lesser land to feed a person on a plant-based vegan diet than it does for a non-vegan meat eater or any dairy consumer. This is because the crops that are grown are directly fed to the person instead of it being first fed to the animal, then the meat of the animal is then consumed.
According to the UN Convention to Combat Desertification, it takes up to 10 pounds of grains to produce 1 pound of meat. And United States alone use up 50 million acres of land to produce feed for animals, while only 4 acres of land are used to grow plants for humans to eat.
So basically, if we remove a large-scale animal abusing farm and along with the area occupied, we will approximately have 14 times more land for crops for humans, because currently majority of the crops produced go to animal processing plants which produce like 8 to 10 times less food.
Basically, hunger can be eradicated to a large extent with a vegan diet. Almost around 90% of the Amazon rainforests, which have been cleared since 1970, have been used for grazing livestock. It is even spoiling our oceans to a large extent, about which we will be talking in our upcoming videos.
Basically, with this video, we have proven how unsustainable animal farms are to the world.
Now, what can be done, you might wonder? Well, that will be discussed in our upcoming videos as well.
Actually, many people have come up with more and cool and wonderful solutions for these, which we will probably present you in another video.
Veganism doesn't just save the animals, it saves the whole world, in turn saving me and you.
Share and spread awareness.
Be compassionate to all.
Let's do it together.